you're still editing YouTube videos manually in 2026, you're wasting hours. Today, I'll show you free AI tools that write your script, create your voiceover, generate visuals, and edit everything without showing your face. I tested these tools myself. One of them can literally create a full video in minutes. First, you need a script. Instead of thinking for hours, use AI. Open Chat, GPT type, write a 7-minute YouTube video about free AI tools for faceless channels. This instantly generates your full video script. You can adjust tone, length, or make it more dramatic. Now let's turn this into a realistic voice. Create your voiceover, generate visuals, and edit everything without showing your face. Now here's where it gets powerful. CapCut can automatically add subtitles, animations, and transitions. You can also create thumbnails, animations, and even short video scenes. Want AI to generate visuals too? Just type a prompt and it creates short clips for you. You can also use Google Whisk AI to generate templates, images, and animations. Here's how smart creators use this. 1. Script with AI 2. Voice with AI 3. Edit automatically 4. Post consistently, but tools don't grow channels, retention does. Hook viewers in the first 10 seconds. No slow intro, no long greetings. If you're starting a faceless YouTube channel in 2026, these free AI tools are enough to begin. But in my next video, I'll show you how to turn this into a monetized system.